In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide the taskbar on Windows 11. Windows 11 allows you to automatically hide the taskbar when your cursor is not at the bottom of the screen. This prevents the taskbar from being visible all the time. First, right-click Start button and from the options, click Settings. Click Personalization in the left sidebar. Next, click Taskbar on the right pane. Click Taskbar Behaviors to expand the menu. Now turn on Automatically Hide the Taskbar option. And your taskbar is now hidden. To unhide the taskbar, just uncheck Automatically Hide the Taskbar option. So that is how you can hide the taskbar on Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.